Hi everyone, I'm Ella-Mae. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing an ab session, 10 minutes, 10 exercises, 50 seconds work, 10 seconds off, and we're not repeating any of the exercises. This is so great if you want to add it onto the end of your workout and you want a little ab burn, or you just want an ab burn in general and you want to do this as your only workout. So please keep watching if you want to work out with me.
Damn.
So exercise 1, we have controlled sit-ups. So we're going to be going sit up, control on the way down. Don't let your abs go when you control back down, okay? Exercise number 2, we are doing tucks with our hands on the floor, like so. Exercise 3, we have leg raises, making sure your feet do not touch the floor. Exercise 4, single leg V-sits. When you come up, I want your leg to be straight and we're aiming to touch the top of our toes. Exercise 5, we're doing a side plank, like so. If you want to drop your knees and do the easier version, that is fine. We're doing 50 seconds on each side. Exercise 7, that takes us to, we're doing side sit-ups, okay? It's going to hit your obliques, 50 seconds each side. Exercise 9, Russian twists. I want you to do it with your feet on the floor, making sure you twist all the way round on each ab one. Exercise 10, we are doing the plank. Okay, so it's quite an oblique focused workout, so let's go. Okay, so exercise 1, controlled sit-ups. So your hands can be behind your head or on your ears or here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So you want to make sure that you're just lifting with your abs and nothing else, okay? You don't want to be jolting and using any other part of your body. Really control it on the way down. Don't let your abs go. So when I mean don't let your abs go, don't let them relax. You want to contract them the whole time. Keep going. So we've got 50 seconds work, 10 seconds of rest. Make sure you come all the way down, flatten out, relax, and then contract. So your muscles are being stretched and then they're contracting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Okay, so next we have tucks. I want you to put your hands on the floor for this one. In and out, don't let the feet touch the floor. 3, 2, let's go. So extending all the way out and tucking back in. The lower your legs are, the harder it's going to be. The higher they are, the easier it's going to be, okay? So you want to try and get them nice and low, and this is going to work your lower abs. And really squeeze your abs on the way in. Again, don't let them go. They should be contracted the whole time when you're doing this. Keep going. You'll really be able to feel it. Also, like your hip adductors here, you'll feel that there as well. Your flexors, should I say. 3, 2, 1, rest. Good. So next we have leg raises. The same applies, don't let your feet touch the floor. 3, 2, 1, let's go. If you want to put your hands under your bum to support your lower back, then that's good. If you want to make it harder, have your hands out to the side so that you don't support your body weight. Either one is fine. When you lift your legs up, still contract your abs, okay? Because some people just relax them and lift with your legs, and you want to be lifting with the lower part of your abs. Keep it moving. Good. We've got 10 seconds left. Keep going. You can add a little raise at the top, but we're just going with this. 3, 2, 1, relax. Good. Single leg V-sits next, okay? So you're aiming to touch the top of your toe in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So opposite leg each time and come all the way back down to the floor. The harder version is when your shoulders and your feet are off the floor and you come back to a dish, but we're going all the way to the floor. You can feel this one button. Keep going. You're over halfway. Good. Try and keep the leg as straight as you can. And lift with your abs. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Now we have our side plank. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So you want to make sure your elbow and your shoulder are in line. Your shoulder's directly above your elbow. And then your elbow, your hip and your feet are all in one long straight line. And you're squeezing this side of your body. You can have your arm here if you find it better for balance. You can have it on your ear, on your hip. As long as you feel balanced. Again, easier version here, harder version up here. Good. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, exactly the same, but swap sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I tend to rest one of my foot on top of the other. Some people will have both on the floor for stability, but I prefer it here, so that's what I do. But either one again is fine. Also, if you want to drop the knees for the easier version, you can. Just make sure you're squeezing the side of your body that is closest to the floor. Keep going, over halfway. Tuck the abs in. Everything should be in line. Good, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest, good. So the next one, side crunches. So put both knees to one side, we're crunching up. Let's go. So this is gonna get the obliques. Really try and have a little pause at the top to make sure you're squeezing those obliques at the side. You might feel a little uncomfortable as well, but that's normal. You should feel it here. Keep going, and then we're doing exactly the same on the other side. Just make sure you're squeezing those abs and not just lifting your head up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Swap sides, so both knees to one side. And we're going again. 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. Good. These should be nice and controlled, not too fast paced. Really try and feel the tension at the top as well. I want you to feel this. If you don't hit it in the right spot, it's not going to work your abs. Keep going, over halfway. Good. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. The next Russian twist, so feet on the floor for this. Twist all the way around. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So make sure as well you're leaning back and you're not sitting upright just doing this, because it's not going to do anything. You want to be leaning back, holding the tension, and then you're twisting all the way around. The further around you twist, the more you're going to feel it. Good. You can do these with your feet off the floor, but if you're not controlled enough, your legs are going to be all over the place and you're really not going to hit the right spot. So if you have your feet on the floor, it just ensures that you feel it in the right place. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last, we have plank. Okay, drop your knees if you need to, but I want you to try and hold it for the full 50 seconds. Let's go. So remember to keep your bum down in the plank, not to have it up here. You want it down. You want to be squeezing those abs as hard as you can. Good. And try not to have your shoulders too far back. Shoulders over elbows. I would put my hands in a fist, but you can also have them flat on the floor. Keep going. Nearly there, last exercise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're done. I feel like 10 minutes goes so quickly when I do that. So that was my 10-minute abs, obviously with me, abs with Els. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, anything that you want to see, exercise, baking, art, all of that kind of stuff. Please put it in the comments, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video.
Damn. Yeah.